Welcome to One Question at a Time, the TSI series. Question number 217. The cost to rent a car is $250 flat rate plus $4.15 per mile that you drive with it. How many miles did you drive if you pay $872.50? So let's highlight what given. So we have the flat rate 250 plus $4.15 per mile that you drive. And the total payment is $872.50. So let's set up this. So we have 250 plus mean added at 4.15. Let's call the number of miles that you drive is X, because they're asking how many miles did you ride, so we ride X mile. Okay, so we have 4.15 per mile, so it's 4.15x, and the total will be 872.50. Now we have to isolate the 4.15x, so we subtract both sides by 250. So it's gone on this side, and then the left hand side now just 4.15x equal 622.5. And we want to isolate x, so we divide both sides by 4.15. If we have the calculators, you can input it, but it's not necessary. So we will have x will be equal. So let's see, you have 600, so if we have 60 divided by 4, it will be 15, right? So I will immediately can eliminate choice A and B, because the only thing is close to 15. You see, I take the first two, but if I take like 600 divided by 4, about 150. Okay, so I can check it by doing the multiplications. Okay, so if I take 4.15 and then I multiply by 150, I can break this one into two. I would do 4 times 150 at 0.15 times 150. I break this 4.15 at 4.00 at 0.15. I break it down like that, so I don't need the calculator to working on it. And now 4 times 15 is 60, with 1 0, that's 600. Okay, and then I add this one. So now look at this, you have 15 and 15, that will be 225, because 15 times 15 is 15 square. So making sure you know your square chart from 1 to 20 square. 225. Okay, but we have two decimal places. See that 0.15, you have two decimal places, 1 and 5. And also this one you have a 10, so that will be add one more, and then you have two places, so 1, 2. Now this one right here. Okay, so now find the sum. That will be 622.50. So x is 150. Or you can perform the divisions like this. Okay, so I have 6 divided by 4 is 1. Now I multiply, I will have to multiply both sides by 10, so that is kind of like the whole numbers, not decimal, and working on it. Okay, so let's do that. So I move this one over here, I move this one over here. I have 1, so right here will be 415, and then subtract that 50, drop down. 12 subtract 5 is 7. Remember 1, that's 0. And 6 subtract 4 is 2. So 20 divided by 4 is 5. 5 times 5 is 25. Okay, so let's write down up here. It's 207.50. 2250 for 15. That's 15 for 15. Okay. So now we have 5 times 5 is 25. And then we have 5 times 1 is 5, but remember 2 is 7, and you have that, so subtract is 0, drop down, so 0 divided by that is 0, so 150 is the correct answer. So C, the correct answer. Thank you for participating in this series, and see you next time.